Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can hide your TikTok account from your contacts list. It's super easy to do. If you want to hide your content or like your videos or post from your contact list, so it's gonna be like 2 to 3 steps, and then it's gonna be like they will not see your content over here. So go to your profile and logged into your account, go to 3 lines on the top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. You will come in settings and privacy panel. So you will see over here privacy in accounts. You have to simply click on that, and then you will see the bunch of options over here. You have to simply click on sign contacts and Facebook friends. Click on that, and you will see over here on the top the option called sign contacts. So whenever it is turned on, your content will be shared with your contact list. So if this is turned off, they will never see your contents, or they will know this is not about your content or your content. So make sure to turn this off to don't show your contents with your contact list. So that's it. That's how you can hide your content from your contact list. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.